Hello friends, this is Zishan. I'll be doing the unboxing and review of Eureka Forbes Easy Clean Plus vacuum cleaner cum blower. I bought this vacuum cleaner from Amazon at a price of rupees 2300 rupees. These are the accessories which come along with this vacuum cleaner. So it contains these two hose pipes which can be connected together. So you can see these hose pipes can be connected together to increase the length. It also comes with this belt which you can connect to the handle of the vacuum pump and you can easily carry it on your shoulders. This cap as well as this accessory can be used to connect to the pump, and it can also be used as a blower. This is another adapter which can be connected along with the pipe to these hose pipes. So this one is used to connect to the pipe and used to clean the sofas, beds, pillows, etc. And this accessory is used to clean the services and electronic equipments like laptops, desktops, etc. So this unit is used to clean the floor, tiles as well as carpets. And this is the main pipe which needs to be connected to the vacuum pump, and you can connect all these accessories using this pipe. Coming to the vacuum pump, so you can see it's written Forbes Easy Clean Plus. This is the on and off button. So this pump comes with two openings. This is the vacuum inlet and this is the outlet for the air. We can connect the accessories to the inlet, it becomes a vacuum cleaner, and there are also accessories to connect to the air outlet, so it becomes a blower. So let's open the vacuum inlet and see. So you need to press this button and open it. So you need to press the button and open. So you can see the cap has come out. Inside the cap you can see there is a filter to filter the dust and minute particles, and here also there is a filter. So it's a soft sponge attached to this vacuum inlet. So let's close down the vacuum inlet by pressing the button. Now this is the air outlet. Let us remove this air outlet and see. So we should rotate this in the anti-clockwise direction. The air outlet also opens up. So we have removed the cap which has been attached to the air outlet. So instead of this place, you need to connect this device to the air outlet to make it as a use it as a blower. So I'm connecting this device to the air outlet. So now it's connected. So we can connect this pipe to this accessory, and you need to remove this and connect this accessory to this and rotate it, lock this. Now this becomes a blower. The remaining three accessories can be attached to this house pipe using this adapter. So this I am attaching this to the hose pipe. So this is used to clean the electronic equipments and minor spaces. So this is used to clean the sofas as well as beds and pillows, and this accessory has to be connected to the pipe first, and this end has to be attached to the hose pipe. So now you can see you have to hold the vacuum cleaner like this using the belt, and I have connected this to the hose pipe and to the extension pipe and to this accessory. This accessory is used to clean the floor as well as the carpet. I'll give you a demo of how to clean this carpet using this accessory. First you need to connect this to the vacuum pump. So I have connected and plugged it to the electric supply. So next is you need to lock this button. So I lock this. So after this you can see the dirt and dirt adhering here to the carpet. So let's clean and see. So you can see So you can see the carpet is almost clean. It has sucked up all the impurities and dirt which was adhering and sticking to the carpet. So it's a pretty powerful vacuum pump. After cleaning, you need to remove the cap and clean the air filter. Should remove the cap by pressing the button, and if you remove the filter, you can see all the dust and particles inside the air filter, and you need to clean this. After cleaning, again you should place it back in position. So you can see I have cleaned the air filter and again placing it back in its position. So after placing the air filter back in its position, you need to attach this once again to the motor using the pressing the button. Now I have connected this accessories. Now it works as a blower. Let me switch on and see how well the blower works. This is a short review and unboxing of my Eureka Forbes Easy Clean Plus vacuum cleaner cum blower. Thank you for watching my video.